Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be showing you how you can disable or delete your Instagram account. So before we proceed, I would like you to go to your YouTube account. Kindly type on Tech Impact and please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn the bell notification to be notified whenever I post a video, or to be the first person to watch my video. So let's go in and do this video. So I'm using an Android phone in this tutorial video, but don't worry, you can do the same to iPhone, iOS phones, and any other mobile devices. So what you do is you need to have access internet connection. So you just open up your Instagram account. This is the account that I'll be using for this tutorial. You can see I just created this account. If you don't know how to create an Instagram account, the link will be posted down below. Make sure you click on it to watch how you can create an Instagram account. So this is the account I will be deleting. So once you open up your Instagram, you click on your profile picture. That is the right bottom corner. After you open it, the next thing is you click on these three lines right top here, and click on your settings. Click on help. Click on help center. Now you'll be asked which browser which you want to open this help center with. So I'm going to take open with Chrome. So once you have clicked open with Chrome, then since you want to delete your account, so you'll be clicking on managing your Instagram account, which is manage your account. So I'm going to click on manage your account here. And now I'm going to click on delete account. So you'll be asked if you want to disable it or you want to delete your account. How do you want to delete your account? So you check on how do you want to delete your Instagram account. So you'll be asked to go to delete your account page. So what you do, you click on delete your account. And right here, you're just going to click on Chrome and to open up. So what you need to do here, you do your logins, the main account that you want to use to open this, that you want to disable and or delete. So I'm just going to log into that, to the password and everything, and I click on next, which is login. Click on that now. And as you can see now, it says delete your account. Hi, we are sorry to hear you do like to delete your Instagram account. If you just want to take a break, you can always temporarily disable your Instagram account instead. That is if you don't, they are telling, that is if you don't want to delete your Instagram account. But since I want to delete my Instagram account, you're just gonna click on the reason why you're deleting your Instagram account. That must be checked. So you're just gonna open it and then just select the one you want. So I'm just gonna click on something else. So at the set to continue, you have to enter your Instagram password. So I'm just gonna put it now. Enter the password for the Instagram account that I want to delete, and you can see right now it says permanently delete my account. So you click on permanently delete your account. Are you sure you want to delete your account? You click on OK. So as you can see, it says your account has been removed. We are sorry to see you go. That is the end of this video. So guys, if this worked for you, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the bell notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. God bless the world. God bless Africa.